Do a pressure test, and the leak didn't show up right away. But what we've got is from the garbage disposal deal here. Looks like it's actually leaking. Oh gosh, it's missing the plate.
Screw.
So it's not pushing up on the garbage disposal ring. Missing one screw here on one side, on two sides. Oh my gosh. What are these guys doing? Alright. It's an easy fix though. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this while it's going. I'm still going to do my pressure test. Obviously that's leaking up top, but that's what it was. No. Yeah, there goes the garbage disposal drain in as well.
The dishwasher going
in
into the disposal.
So yeah. Anyway, that should be an easy fix. Add those couple screws the installer's missed. That'll push up on the plumber's putty that's in here. But good thing we did the pressure test. Otherwise we wouldn't have seen that there.
Yep, this one was missing those two screws. Not too bad to add the screws in and fix it. Normally that would stop it. But you may need to separate or loosen the third screw and slip the drain up a little bit and add a little more plumber's putty in between where the drain and the sink meet. But this one still had enough plumber's putty to do it. I didn't have to add any plumber's putty. Just thought I'd let you know how to do it in case you needed to. So.
There's that one. And the third one. Can't believe this thing hung in there for one screw. It's crazy.
That's one screw and the mounting clip. The mounting clip would actually hold it, but it just wouldn't have the pressure to make the seal.
So normally they'd install this before they even put the sink in. So they would have the sink upside down, install all these portions, and then flip it upside down and hook everything up. And the garbage disposal would get mounted last. You know, or they would install it first, but it'd be all upside down and you'd be able to visibly see it. So somebody had to know that this was missing. Crazy. At least in theory.
I guess it's possible they could have just been installed loose and then rattled and
Anyway,
dropped.
No problem. Just a little left. Now we can fill it up again and check it. Redo the pressure test. See if this is water. If that didn't work and if it leaked around the outside, we would have to loosen all that, pop it up, put plumber's putty underneath it, and then just re-squeeze it down. I think we're going to be just fine. Yep, it's a done deal. All sealed.